In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Steam show FPS. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, you need to open your Steam and log into your account, okay? I will point out that this process works on any version of Steam. What I need to do is come to Steam, click at the top left corner on Steam, and come to settings below backup and restore games. So click on settings, you will see all these options right here. You just need to click on the third option, in game. Then you will see several options, okay? The option that interests us is this one, in-game FPS counter, okay? Below overlay shortcut keys. So click on top, and here you can select where you will put your FPS counter. So you can put on the top left, on the top right, on the bottom right, or on the bottom left. Select, and you can also turn on high contrast color or not. So click OK, and when you start the game, you will see your FPS where you put there. I hope I helped you on how to make Steam show FPS. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.